On June 29, 2025, Salt Lake City police responded to reports of gunfire near North Temple. What followed was a high-stakes pursuit through city streets and a tense armed standoff. We break down the incident step by step, see how it unfolded in real time.
And he was turning around. He shot my friend 3 times, and I'm calling my friend, and he's not answering me right now.
I'm at the Burger King right now with the witness. He's on the phone.
Simply, yeah. I was recording because the guy was like...
Hold on 1 second. Stop. Hold on, stop.
I think you can bend. What you're gonna see probably like the empty map is gonna be on the street.
So he was all the way out there
yeah,
when he shot?
all the way there when he shot.
And then he fired, did he shoot back this way?
I don't know, I think he was shot in like probably this way when he was outside on the street.
Your food just showed up and shot at the complainant.
I think I have it. It's going to be a large white shuttle type van going northbound on Bangerter. Push slow north. Going about 20 miles an hour.
What south you at?
I'm going to you stuck my crowd in up to 230. Still rolling slow north. Vehicle, we're slow rolling northbound on the number 2 lane of Bangerter approaching California. Section, make sure you're clear.
Stay! Turn around!
There's going to be a crossfire. That car in this northbound lane needs to move. Get out of the way, come on. Back up! Keep your distance.
13 shots fired, he's shooting at me.
He's in oncoming lanes. Everyone is still in the northbound entrance of I-80 to Bangerter.
Charlie 443, I'll block that.
Going about 10 miles an hour in the number 1 lane.
Shots. Hey! Back up!
Okay, let's get 3 or 4 units ready. Get the shields ready. 430, do we have a shield up there? Early 120. Shots fired, shots fired.
Stay low, stay low, stay low.
Jamie, back up! Hey! Hey! Stay back! Jamie! Back up!
Hey, we got time. We got time.
Hey, I got you.
Hey, I got.
Slow. Hey, guys, don't push me. Don't push.
Keep it. All right. We got 80% of the car right now.
Does the light even do anything?
Yes. I need it as deep into this van as I can get it.
On this way. On this way. Okay. You want to stop it? You want to stop it? You want me to cover you? Let me grab my shield real quick.
He's laying down.
Yeah, someone's just gonna hop on your bed.
So he's laying down. Can't see anyone in the driver's seat.
Hey! I'm gonna pitch an NFDE to see if we get stimulus.
Slow.
Where's the light at?
It's being covered by the shield.
Okay, you're good. You're good. 430. Keep your hands up! Both hands! Keep your hands up! Hey, one person come in. Hands up! Let's go! Step out of the van! George, on this way. On this way. This way, George. This matches male in the video. Empty hands right now. Empty hands right now.
Get back!
We got a fucking shield for a reason. Dude, hands on team comes on my right. You got him? You got him?
Got him.
I got him. Okay. I got him.
Gotcha. Yep.
Keep your hands up! Hands up! Let's go! Step out of the van!
Nice, easy breathing,
Move out
guys.
of the van!
Nice, easy breathing.
Sarge, you got commands if you got eyes.
Hey!
Point and shut down southbound. Get back! Get back!
Approximately 50 feet from the intersection. Make sure you're clear of it.
Everybody back! Get back! Hands!
Keep your distance. He's in oncoming range. Everyone is still in the northbound lanes. You can get units to go north and block the eastbound or the southbound entrance from I-80 to Bangerter.
Charlie 443, I'll block that.
Were any of the other officers hit? Is everyone code 4? I'm code 4, I'm right behind you, not hit. Copy, Charlie 123, can we get star 9 available? Hey, we need to try to get officers to stop coming southbound.
Back up!
Jamie, get back!
Jamie, get back! Okay, go.
So provide information. Sounds good, so. Now let's get any movement in the driver's seat. We have time.
I don't see any movement on the front.
On your left, stay behind.
On your right.
Stay behind.
I got no movement. No movement. Hey, can we feel left?
Get over here.
Feel left.
Hold up, hold on.
We have the engine block. It's coming.
Get to the car. This is the car.
Car coming up, car coming up.
Hold up. Moving left. Hold up. Spotlight on that window. Hit the mirror.
Out.
Hey, Tafino, is that you? Yep. I want you to turn left. Come wide.
Let's hit that siren.
I'm gonna pitch an NFPD and see if we get stimulus.
Okay.
See if you move.
the package are moving back down if you're clear now. Cindy Highway.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, we're holding off on that. You guys see any movement? You guys see any movement? No movement. Keep the masters. Can you pull up? Keep going.
Hey, stop!
Hold.
Nico, come here. Is there a way we can get those dudes on the other side of the barricades?
Do we need to rush up there? Can we get some distance here?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so why don't we do that? Okay, let's see if we can create a little distance here so we can see what's going on.
Hands are up! I want you to open that door on your right hand side! Right hand side! Keep your head! Sarge, you got commands if you got eyes. Hey, shit, I got hands. Comes on my right. They're moving up on that side. Don't fucking move.
We don't know if the van's clear or not. Check the van. Check the van.
I'm gonna hit the rear, dude. Stop! Show me your ass! Slow it down. Hey, get cover! Hold up, hold up! The car's just gonna keep pushing him! You're good, Jim. I'm making sure he gets back. He's in crossfire. I'm with you guys. It's just gonna keep pushing him. You wanna stop it? You wanna stop it? You want me to cover you? Let me grab my... Jamie, what you want? I got nothing, man. I can't... No, what do you want me to do? You want to stop this truck? Masters! I'm gonna stop my truck! You move, I cover it. I'm gonna stop it. I'll cover you. You good, man? Yeah, I'm good. I got you, bro. I'm just trying to get some cover. You got short and brakes? Okay, brakes on. Back up, back up, back. Can't see anyone on the driver's side. You good? Yeah, so I was just gonna hop on your bed. He's laying down. Can't see you in the driver's seat. Hey! Hey! Hold, hold, hold. Okay. I need you to cover me. I'm gonna grab a flashbang out of my car. Okay. Yeah. Lieutenant, you guys got me? Yeah, I got you. All right, push, push, push. Okay. It's ready if we need it. Okay. We're not doing that. We're gonna hold for now. Okay. Anyone see any movement? I haven't seen any movement. No movement. No movement. So. No movement. Barricade. Can you put it forward more? So yeah, I would assume that. Would you say go barricaded now? Do you think we need to get if we can't, do we need to create some distance? Do you think? Do we need to get them to move? Hey, stop! Hold! 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 Franco, come here. Is there a way we can get those dudes on the other side of the barricades? Hands up! Okay, you got commands. Hey! You got commands. I got commands! Hands are up, hands are up. Hands are up! I want you to open that door on your right hand side! Hands up! Let's go! Step out of the van! Move out of the van!
Too good.
Officers moving up!
They're moving up on that side.
Okay.
Check the van!
This matches male in the video.
Okay. Empty hands right now. Empty hands right now.
Hey, we are moving up.
Anybody else in the van?
Hey!
Hey!
Get the fuck back
Push
here!
back!
Fucking move! Don't move! Don't you move!
Push up in the car. Push up in the car. Make sure it's clear. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more police body cam footage. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen,